Police officer shot and injured during high-speed chase with robbers in St. Andrew.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
A policeman was shot and injured during a shootout with gunmen who had stolen a vehicle along Molynes Road in St. Andrew on Friday morning, March 29th. Reports are that about 5:30 a.m. a motorist was driving along the busy thoroughfare when he was held up and robbed of his Nissan station wagon motor vehicle. The motorist, who had just been robbed, raised an alarm with a team of police officers who were traveling along the road. Upon receiving the information, the officers went in pursuit of the men who had committed the robbery. Reports are that during a high-speed chase that ensued, the robbers opened fire at the police. The cops allegedly returned the fire, and during the shootout, an officer was hit. Sources said despite the injury to the lawman, the police team continued their pursuit of the men, who eventually abandoned the stolen vehicle and made their escape. The injured officer was later taken to the hospital where he is being treated. The police have since launched a manhunt for the robbers.
Teach them! Hey yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them right here. Warlord representing.